Hey everyone, today we have an exciting gadget that's a game changer for drivers. A mirror dashcam with built-in screen and smart recording features. It also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This one's from iMirror lineup, a stylish dashcam that doubles as your rear view mirror and a full recording setup for your car. Let's dive in and see what makes this mirror dashcam stand out. This is what it comes inside of the box. This is a dashcam in rear mirror. The brand is iMirror. So it comes with the camera. Look at this. So this is the camera for the front. On the top it has the USB-C power, the rear camera, a slot for the microSD card, and this one is for the audio, I think, and the power button on the bottom. Comes with the manual. This one is for the audio, the cable for the audio, if you want to connect it to the audio. The straps to hold it on the mirror. And this is the power cable. So got a light connection, USB-C connection, USB-A adapter, and the audio adapter. The rear camera with the extension plug for the connection for the rear camera, and the double-sided tape to mount the camera on the rear. And this is everything that comes inside the box. Just did the basic stuff to put the rear mirror in this one with the straps, and I took the cable under the roof liner, but this one has these two connections this one are a little bulky and it's hard to tuck them inside of the roof liner. So this one is for the GPS, and this one I think it says CarPlay, or to connect a device by USB-A. So since I don't have the GPS and this one, I have to put it in here, but for now I'm gonna leave it like that because I'm gonna test the camera. Okay, and the cable, it's going in here, inside here, and I haven't tucked it inside this trim because first I have to see if it reaches all the way to the back, because I'm planning to put it, it's gonna be hard. Like this one, I already have one in this one in here, has this one. Probably I'm gonna put it on the side here, but this is just for the test. But make sure before you tuck the cable under the trims or the trim by the doors, make sure the cable reaches all the way to the back. So let me see if it reaches. So I had to remove this one to figure it out better, because I was trying to put it behind this light, plastic. So I was going to open it and then put the cable. But the problem is if I leave the cable under this one, the water might leak inside of the trunk. And I don't want that. But this one already has a reverse camera here and a hole. So I'm gonna try to stick or make the connection go through that one and put the other camera in here. All right. Okay, the rear camera is ready. I put it here. The cable is, let me see if you can see it. It's hard to see, but it's in the hole under this one. Okay, that's the rear camera. The cable, I tuck it under this plastic behind the seat, and then you can see it a little bit here. Goes under this trim here, goes on the headliner and in here. All right, so that's how I did it. All right, it's time to test this. So this is the screen. You tap it one and you can see the menu right there. Okay, the first one is the record button to turn it on and off. The second one is to take a screenshot. The third one is to lock the video. The one in the middle to mute or to turn on the audio recording. This one to switch the view, like this, like that, the front or the rear. For now, I'm gonna leave it on the rear. The home is for the menu. Okay, And the last one here is for the CarPlay, Android Auto, music, and the Wi-Fi to connect it to the app, okay? We're gonna do that in a little bit, but first, let's start with the menu. Okay, to go to the menu, just press the home button. Okay, before we do that, let me show you, there's another way to switch the view, just sliding your finger to the left like that, all right? And also you can change the brightness in here. Okay, so for now, I'm gonna leave it all the way. Okay, let's go to the menu. You have all these options. The recording is to go back to the main screen, the mobile internet is to the CarPlay, Android Auto, music, and the Wi-Fi. We're gonna connect that in a little bit, okay? The audio output, you can connect, because this one has CarPlay, you can connect it to the radio, FM, auxiliary connection, like a cable, to the stereo, and this one is with a Bluetooth, all right? So that's the option you have to connect the audio, okay? The replay is for the videos, recorded videos. You can see all the videos here. Normal, photo, emergency, parking. I only have the normal right now because I don't have emergency or parking either. You can lock the video, delete, or play the video here. Okay, let's go back. Okay, and the next one are the settings. So let's go to the settings. So the first one is the CarPlay. You can leave it on the left, right, or full screen. Okay, that's cool. I think it'll be full screen, maybe. I think so. Let's see. Full screen. Yeah. And then the resolution, 4K, 2K resolution on 1080p or 720. Of course, 4K, but I want the full frame resolution. Loop recording, you can record the videos. You can make it 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 1, 2, or 3 or 5 minutes. Okay. So we can go back. And then the G sensor, I always like to leave it in low because if you put in the middle any bump, it will lock the videos. Okay, car OSD. I don't know. I think just the name. You can change the name for this one. In there. Okay, the screen saver. You can turn on and off the screen. For me, I have it off, so it's on all the time. Okay, but you can turn it 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. Okay, cool. And then the settings. Those are for the lines for the reverse. So for now, it looks like good like that. I'm gonna leave it like that. And then the backup camera mirroring is off. You can flip the camera, the rear camera upside down if you want to, in case you put the camera upside down. Language, English. Cool, that's good. Time setting, I think everything is good. And date format, month, day, and year. I'm gonna leave it like that. Let's see what else. Oof, okay. Eye protection. Let's see, what is that? Oh, the brightness. You can put the brightness at night, make it lower, start time, or the end time. When you want the brightness to get lower at that time. You can set it up right there. Okay, and then you can format the SD card here. The first time you turn on this screen, you have to format the SD card. Okay, you can format it there. And this one, you can reset everything to the factory settings, but I don't want to do it right now. And this is the version of the screen. Cool. So now let's download the app and let's see how to connect to the app. All right, let's see now how to connect to the CarPlay, because this one has CarPlay, but let's see if it's wireless. So let's go to the menu. It has like a phone icon. Click on that one, and it has the CarPlay. You can see it here. CarPlay mode confirm. So it says connect to the Bluetooth. Okay, so let's do that. All right, we're here at the Bluetooth, and it's TF79. Let's see if we can find it. Okay, I found it. It's right here at the bottom. Boom. It's connecting. Connected. Ooh, see if you can see. Let me put it more like this so you can see it. So let's go back. Oh yeah, look at that. Phew. So it has full screen, and you can make it maybe half a screen if you don't want to see everything all the time, because you might need the rear mirror to view. But it's great. Look at that. Super responsive. I have all my apps. Okay, so it has everything on all your apps, the settings right there. Cool. So that's amazing. Now let's see how the app works. First, we have to go to mobile, and you have CarPlay, Android Auto, music, and then this one, Wi-Fi. So we have to connect it to the app. All right, so the app is this one, eLook Pro. Okay, let's open it. Okay, it already asked me to allow to connect to other devices. All right, so let's see. I think we have to go to the Wi-Fi, but let's see if it connects this one automatically. Okay, so we have to connect by the Wi-Fi. Okay, now we're here. It's going to detect this one. This one is the TF790. This one. Let's connect to that one, and then the password is 128. connect, join, connected, cool. And now let's go back here, right here, connect to devices. That's it. Alright, yeah, it's connected. It's cool. So it's already connected. So in here, let's put it to the home. The first one is the view, it's the rear view. Okay, front. Let's see if we can switch it. No, in here. Whoa, I think it's in Chinese. Let's see. Oh, over here. Okay, right here in the corner, it has this camera. You can switch the view in there, the rear, the front. So let's leave it on the rear camera. Okay, first you have to stop the recording here, stop. And then this one, this icon, a square or rectangle, click on that one. That's for the videos. And you can click on any of the videos and you can download the video right here. You can click download, but I don't want to download it right now. Okay, so that's how to download the video, and you can delete it there too. So in here has the delete button, the trash button. All right, so that's the front and the back. Emergency, parking, and photo. Cool. Okay, let's go back to the main view. So stop the recording again, and then let's go to the settings. We already went to all these settings, but you can change the settings here: the loop recording, G sensor, the screen, the language, the format, the date format, the back camera, everything, Wi-Fi, and everything is here. It's pretty simple. So the same thing that we did on that one, we can do it right here on the app. So it's pretty good. So now let's download the videos and let's see the resolution for the day and the night coming up right now. Alright, and now it's time to see the videos resolution. This is the day view. For the front camera, it's a 4K resolution. As you can see, it looks pretty good, pretty clear, everything. The resolution is good. You can see the cars, you can see what kind of car it is, license plates, everything, the view, everything is nice and clear. So for the day view or for the front camera, it's great. I have no complaints for the front camera. And now this is the day view for the rear camera. The rear camera is 1080p resolution, but it is great. It still looks pretty good, pretty clear. License plates, cars, everything, the view, the surroundings around the cars, everything is super clear. You can still see that it gets a little bit pixelated because it's a 1080p, but it's clear in my opinion. So everything for the day view, for the rear camera, it is great. Alright, and now this is the night view for the front camera, 4K resolution. So it looks pretty good. As you can see, everything is good. The only thing has some kind of glare, reflection, but I think that glare is because of my windshield. I did try to clean it, but still I can see that glare. But the main thing, the cars, you can see the cars, you can see the license plate. It has a night vision, as you can see everything is clear, so it is great. So for the front camera at night, it looks great. And now this is the night view for the rear camera, 1080p resolution. So it looks pretty good, it looks great. Even that it's 1080p resolution, I'm amazed. It looks super clear. You can see everything clear, license plates, car, even the glare of the headlights, it doesn't affect that much on the camera, so it is great. So it has night vision, so it is super clear. I can see the cars, even the sky looks like it's even the day, and this is at night. So it is great. So for the rear camera at night, it's good. If you spend a lot of time on the road and want extra protection for incidents or simply want to modernize your car with a smart mirror dashcam, this is a solution worth considering. It's especially great for commuters, rideshare drivers, and anyone who wants a smarter rear view setup. If you want to check it out, I will drop the link down below. If you like the review, hit the like and subscribe button for more tech review. Have a question about setting up or comparing models? Drop them in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and see you on the next video.